Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Add your cleanser to the tank. A few tablespoons of a liquid soap, a half cup of white vinegar or a half cup of baking soda. Swish it around with the brush to mix it up. Using the long-handled brush, gently scrub the bottom and sides of the tank using the cleanser water mixture.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Pine Sol in Tank. Pine Sol is a popular household multi-purpose cleaner. This cleaner can be used to give your toilet bowl a wonderful smell. Pour about a cup into the toilet tank about 2 times per week. Your toilet bowl and tank will smell amazing by using Pine Sol in it.
Let's help you make your mark.
All you have to do is pour a cup of laundry detergent directly into the toilet's tank. The weight of the detergent will cause it to sink to the bottom, and stay there. That way, each time you flush the toilet, the clean and fresh scent of the detergent will activate in the tank, making your entire washroom smell great.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.